हेलो एंड नमस्कार सबको। मेरा नाम है निक और आई एम गोना रिएक्ट नाइस दिस माय फर्स्ट वीडियो सो आई होप यू गाइस विल लाइक इट। एंड वैसे ये चैनल स्टार्ट करने का क्या बोलते हैं, सॉरी गाइस, आई नो हिंदी बट आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड मच। ओके, I can speak, but like I was saying, the purpose of this channel is I don't want to wait. Listen. I'll try to speak in Hindi. मुझे हिंदी में बात करना है, ठीक है? ओके, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, गलती हो जाए तो माफ़ कर देना गाइस। ओके, मैं अकेला वीडियो देखता था तो बोर लगता है, इसलिए रिएक्शन चैनल तो बहुत है, पर ठीक है, मैं भी शुरू कर रहा हूँ और मुझे आप लोगों के साथ वीडियो देखना है। दुनिया में ऐसे भी कई लोग हैं जो अकेले वीडियो देखते हैं, उनका कोई नहीं है। वैसे एक टाइम पे मैं भी वैसा ही था, इसीलिए मेरे पहले से ही व्हाट इज़ दैट वर्ड, पहले से ही सोच रहा था कि मैं भी ऐसा ही कुछ कंटेंट बनाऊं जो मैं अकेले ना देखूं, आप सभी लोगों के साथ देखूं, इसलिए आज ये चैनल शुरू किया है। सो आज हम पहली वीडियो पे रिएक्ट करने जा रहे हैं, व्हाट डू इंडियन गर्ल्स थिंक अबाउट नेपाल। ओके, डेटिंग नेपाली बॉयज। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट गाइस। ऑल द बेस्ट, दिस माय फर्स्ट वीडियो, सो प्लीज़ be with me, please support, thank you, please like and subscribe also, please. In future we'll also do many crazy stuff, so please, thank you. Okay, let's start.
नेपाल, भूटान,
Bhutan.
भूटान।
Good question.
What is the
Really
question?
good question.
Okay,
Commendable job.
हाँ, भूटान, काठमांडू।
I really feel it's Kathmandu. Kathmandu.
काठमांडू
what the
है।
capital
Are
of
we going
Nepal?
into GK? That is all Kathmandu.
काठमांडू।
Okay, Kathmandu.
Okay, actually Bhutan is a different place.
नेपाल
What?
बोलते ही सबसे पहली चीज
I am a foodie, so momos.
Nepali
What?
people and their songs.
What is this?
नेपाली आता है।
could be racist but,
Sorry, guys.
what strikes my mind is momos.
I
Huh?
think this scenery वगैरह all of that.
नेपाल सुनते ही कोई ऐसी वर्डिंग नहीं है,
Mind
बहुत
only
ऑड है
नेपाल,
वहाँ
okay.
के लोग थोड़े से।
दिमाग
ठीक
में
है, बट हमारी इंडिया
क्या
में
आंसर-
काफी लोग हैं
क्या
ना।
आता है?
Nepali is my friend.
नेपाली, okay.
Actually, Nepali बोलते is
Uh,
they are like, you know, their eyes is छोटी छोटी है ना.
There was this cap.
Literally?
with huge
She said that?
layers, on it.
छोटी
So that
छोटी
is
है।
the first thing, because I had been to Nepal, I tried that cap and all.
They are like
Okay.
look like a Chinese.
Oh, yeah.
जैसे
And this face you look like Chinese, huh? Yeah. There are many misconceptions, okay? So we are here, so देखते हैं, हम ठीक करेंगे मिसकम्युनिकेशन एंड मिसकंसेप्शन, ओके?
ऐसे हैं, चाइनीज टाइप।
हाँ,
Very
Like-
open and very helpful.
I've never been
Yeah.
to Nepal, but they seem quite nice.
you very nice.
I never saw them as in shouting or yelling at someone. From their appearance, it's like sweet and something like that.
Yeah.
Like they're like
Yeah, they are.
very friendly.
Not
very
everyone,
friendly
okay?
with
Not
friends
mine.
and all.
I just know that they're really sweet.
My
and
father.
they're very
Okay.
gracious. खाना बहुत
ये
अच्छा
बात
बनाते हैं.
बात के लिए
That's all
बात
it's
बाद में
नेपाल
बात
के
करते
लोग
हैं।
they are very frank. Actually,
हाँ, frank
ऐसा
तो
नहीं
है।
है. हर people's अलग अलग है ना.
हाँ.
And some people's are, you know, very dirty, and some people's are
हाँ.
very cute.
I
Huh?
think they're short, they have small eyes, and I think they have flawless skin. I think they are very sweet, very innocent. That's what I think.
I couldn't
Okay.
stereotype but I think they would be good because their food is good.
Boys in Nepal.
Yeah.
वो भी
Yeah,
Chinese
yummy
ही
food.
हैं।
ज़्यादा
I'm a
बात-
big foodie. I'm a
बात
big
तो
foodie,
बोल-
guys.
No views about boys there.
ठीक ही लगते हैं। They look all same, सब same ही लगते हैं वहाँ पे तो।
I don't know how to answer that. I have not gone.
That
I have no
girl
clue.
is.
I hope they're good.
Boys
I'm
are
sure
very
she hasn't been to
cute,
Nepal
but,
and never watched
short in
any
height,
videos
but
or
they're cute
never
and
met
hardworking.
any
I
Nepali.
haven't
So,
really talked to
or
anyone from
if she
Nepal,
has met, then
but
she
I'm
has
thinking
met
they would be
from
alright,
like
like
Assam
they're
area, okay, that
better than
northern
here.
area. But
Never
not everyone,
interacted with the
not
Nepali
everyone in
boy.
Nepal are
More
like Chinese.
our, northeastern guys. So
Oh yeah.
good, no?
No, I can't.
Never. नहीं मुझे ठीक ही लगते हैं, but date नहीं करना।
I don't think so, because like
obviously मैं उनको जानती नहीं, I've never met any of them, so I don't know, I don't think so.
Hi,
ये सब same level
I'm
में
here.
तो अलग नहीं दिखेगा ना.
यार बात करनी पड़ेगी ऐसे ऐसे सिर्फ नेपाल सुन के तो आई डोंट हैव मच टू से
Actually,
Hmm,
I don't
nice.
like Nepali people.
मुझे नहीं पसंद इस वजह से.
इफ ही
like that is kind of racist. You don't like Nepali, but choice is her. Yeah, we cannot blame her. Her choice. इसकी choice है, कुछ भी करे. Yeah, guys, ये हिंदी जो है ना वो बचपन से फिल्में देख देख के आया है फिल्में, पर अभी भी प्रोनाउंसिएशन में थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्टी होता है. लाइक वर्ड्स भूल जाता हूँ, प्रोनाउंस कैसे करते हैं सोच सोच के बोलना पड़ता है. सो एनीवेज, आई एम नेपाली एंड आई एम रिएक्टिंग. आई होप यू लाइक इट.
Tall, then yes. If the guy is tall,
Why not?
Why not?
I don't usually constrain people to their nationalities or from where they are.
Good.
So if we do match, so
Yeah.
sure.
Bangladesh.
नेपाली को तो मुझे नहीं करना बिल्कुल.
I would date a
खांसी आई
big-
खांसी
a
आई खांसी आई. वेट
Bangladeshi-
वेट. ये वेदर खांसी खांसी. ओके, लेट्स कंटिन्यू.
because I like Bengalis.
नेपाल.
Better तो नेपाली है.
Oh, Nepalis are far way better than Bangladeshi.
हाँ,
I like
yeah.
Bengali people.
Kind of.
बांग्लादेशी बिकॉज मैं भी बंगाली हूँ तो बंगाली चूज करूंगी.
okay.
दे आर स्वीट एंड बांग्लादेश पीपल आई डोंट नो.
काफ़ी अलग ही उनका तो मतलब काफ़ी वो मुझे लाइक प्रॉपर ही उनका लैंग्वेज ही अलग लगता है. समझ में नहीं आता. नेपाल में कुछ समझ तो
हाँ.
आएगा कम से कम.
I don't know. Bangladeshis
But
are more introvert.
I have
I'd say Nepalis are
met
like more
many
open.
India.
Indian
India.
people. They
India.
India, definitely.
it's
My country.
kind of
India.
difficult to understand.
There's varieties, yeah, and we are from
They
India.
talk little bit. Some words are same, but the way of pronunciation and the way accent is different. So
Don't
it's,
feel a difference there because we have like we have a border that is connecting us, and I don't think that we're too different from them.
border
So
no.
I wouldn't mind dating
There's
either.
open border, right?
Girls take
Indian,
that
Nepali are so.
They're cute.
स्टाइलिश नहीं होती, वो बनाती है अपने आप को. स्टाइलिश नहीं है. बहुत सुंदर, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल.
pretty. I want their skin, please.
Girls are
Yeah.
very stylish, cute.
What do you
sweet,
think about girls from
and,
Nepal?
smart also.
Yeah. In
Yeah.
fact, those reels on Instagram, they usually have.
Yeah,
a
there are
particular
many
style
beauties
with
in
their
Nepal
clothes
and
they're
smart
very
girls
traditional
also,
in
okay?
sense. So that's cute.
Girls are pretty, but
Yeah.
not as beauty as we find, in our North India. But yeah.
Like I've seen वो
Yeah,
बहुत सुंदर,
kind of. She's.
अलग से पता
मैं
लगता है कि
शुरू
हाँ,
में ही
ये
बोला
पूरी
था,
लड़की है,
वो
ये
ज़्यादा
पूरी
नहीं
लड़की है.
देखती
नेपाल
होगी.
में पता है, भोपाल.
I don't know.
I just know.
Guys, there are many beauties. मैं brag नहीं कर रहा हूँ, but there are like थोड़े दिनों पहले मैंने एक रील देखा था. क्या था उसका नाम? हाँ, सिंपल खरेल. या शी इज़ ब्यूटीफुल. या वेल, वो दीदी को देखना चाहिए. ओके, बोर तो नहीं हो रहे? बात बात में बीच बीच में बात करता रहूँगा, ठीक है? सो ठीक है, अकेले देखने से मज़ा तो दोस्त के साथ बात बात करके आता है. ओके, लेट्स कंटिन्यू.
Kathmandu.
Kathmandu, my papa has been
Some-
there.
okay.
Kathmandu.
Places.
And obviously there are temples I don't know the name of, but yeah.
Kathmandu?
Hmm?
I don't know. Other city that Kathmandu is. I know.
Okay.
Kathmandu.
That's the capital city by the way. नेपाल का कैपिटल है ना, इसीलिए.
There is Mangameshwar. That is at the height.
मनकामेश्वर, it's Manakamana, and Manakamana Mata temple is like not that height. Okay, yeah, you have to travel with the cable car, but it's not. I think she went to Pathibara or something. Yeah, Badi Malika is also. Okay, let's continue.
वहाँ जाके फेमस फूड उनका पता नहीं मुझे.
सॉरी गाइस, खांसी हो रही है यार, मौसम चेंज हो रहा है इसलिए. कंटिन्यू.
I think momos.
मोमोज आर फ्रॉम नेपाल. तिब्बतन.
तिब्बतियन
लगता
बेसिकली.
है कि हाँ जो नेपाली हैं वो तो मोमोज ही बेचते हैं.
There's a thupka. So usually places in Noida especially don't have good thupkas that I've tried. So I would want to try that.
There can be momo,
Thupka.
there can be thupka, there can be a lot of
Thupka?
other things also.
Nepalis.
Thukpa.
I mean, I don't know.
सॉरी
but
दीदी, इट्स नॉट थुकपा. इट्स थुक मीन्स लाइक थुक. ओके, हिंदी में भी यही होगा शायद. थुक, इट्स थुकपा. ओके, प्रोनाउंसिएशन में डिफरेंस. ठीक है.
They call it like momos and all are their own food, but which is not.
क्या बोलते हैं भात
yeah,
ऐसी कुछ
she's
होता है
correct.
माछी भात ऐसी माछी भात आई लाइक माछी भात
माछा भात.
नेपाली
Nepali.
Nepali.
डिफरेंट होती है, अलग अलग होती है और समझ नहीं आता.
मे बी नेपाली ऑब्वियसली वो कुछ और बोलते होंगे आई डोंट नो
नो आइडिया.
आई डोंट नो नो आइडिया आई डोंट नो यार
नहीं
No.
नहीं.
Even I don't know. Like, I don't want to say anything bad, but Nepali actors, like, now there are few talents they are rising, but other Nepali actor and actresses, like, they have just face. Okay, they have just a face, but acting, that's a fact. What to do? But there are some talents coming, rising talents. So I hope Nepal's film industry future will be good.
No, nothing.
No, not really.
For sure.
Nothing attracts me there.
Yeah, maybe because my sister have been visit to Nepal and my father also got there when there were floods and all. Then he got there. So yeah, I would like to visit.
Yeah, sure, I will because I love their culture and it's very beautiful place.
डेफिनेटली आई लाइक नेपाल क्योंकि जस्ट बिकॉज वहाँ
गर्मी
के
बहुत होता
जो
है यार.
लोग हैं मेरे को उनको देखना है उनके जो गांव है आई लाइक देयर विलेजेस एंड आई वांट टू गो देयर एंड देखना है लाइक वो कैसे रहते हैं उनका खाना पीना रहन सहन एंड ऑल सारी चीज़ें एंड आई वांट टू लाइक मैं चाहती हूँ कि वहाँ की चीज़ें काफ़ी चेंज हो. नो आई डोंट वांट टू स्टे करूँगी.
नहीं, और घूम कर ही वापस आ जाऊंगी.
Like I'm staying in India. No, I will not do that. No, I'll just go and stay for at least 1 month. I'll just enjoy the nature and
Good.
then
Please welcome, guys. इंडिया से अगर कोई नेपाल आना चाहता है तो प्लीज़ घूमने के लिए आइए. बहुत अच्छी जगह है. हाँ, इंडिया भी बहुत बड़ा है. So if some Nepalis are watching this, then please visit India also. Like, it's a टूरिस्ट का आना जाना होना चाहिए. देश के लिए अच्छा है. Okay, tourism industry rise. Okay, let's continue.
I'll come back.
No, I would not like to stay. I'd rather go explore, more of the remote places and then live for a while and then come back.
I would like to stay. It's actually in my bucket list. So Nepal does have ritualistic places to visit. So I'm not ritual in the sense that I don't really pray a lot, but I enjoy going to places which have a ritual connotation.
हाँ, स्टे करना देखना चाहूँगी. वहाँ के लोगों का नेचर कैसा है, क्या मतलब थिंकिंग है, वो सब.
Please welcome. Atithi Devo Bhava. We also follow the same, what do you call that word? Dharana? Okay, I'll use that, but I forgot the word in English. होता है, ये सब बीच बीच में भूल जाते हैं. नॉर्मल है, चले. हाँ, हमारा भी वही धारणा है. अतिथि देवो भव.
सब जरूर देखना चाहूँगी.
Visit, तो why not? Always open to it. I don't know about saying that. I'll be able to say only when I go and feel how it is to be there. But I know it's similar to Northeast, and I like. I've been to Sikkim and all those places, and I've heard it's similar. I don't know, and I like the vibe of those places. Peace and quiet, people doing their own thing.
Yeah.
Pahad,
places.
chai, and people are really nice there.
It's just like they've
Sorry guys. Yeah, बोर हो गए होंगे ना मेरी बातें से. Sorry, ignore. Continue.
beaches and the way they talk.
From his eyes.
Calm and composite and nice to talk to maybe. हाँ, काफी. क्योंकि उनका लुक ही थोड़ा सा होता है.
No, you won't be able to differentiate. It's very.
ये दीदी को ना वीडियो दिखाओ यार गाइस. वीडियो दिखाओ. कौन है ये दीदी? Like literally she is so racist kind of, but I don't want to say that word. Okay, she's not racist, but she has zero idea about Nepal. So please guys, didi, please watch this video. Okay, और आप जिस वीडियो में हो वही देखो या ये वीडियो भी देखो, रिएक्ट देखो. ठीक है, आपको थोड़ा समझ में आ जाएगा. लाइक और किसी का चेहरा. ओके, कंटिन्यू. लेट्स कंटिन्यू गाइस.
hard.
अलग से ही दिखते हैं, मतलब समझ आ जाता है कि हाँ भाई
हाँ,
कोई ऐसे जैसे हम
she's smart.
चाइनीज को अलग से पहचान लेते हैं, जापानीज को अलग से पहचान लेते हैं, तो वैसे उनका भी समझ आता है कि
हाँ,
हाँ ये
she's smart,
होंगे तो
smart.
उसी साइड से नेपाल से. बट मैंने कभी ऐसे
हाँ.
कुछ देखा नहीं है किसी को.
उसी
हाँ,
साइड से.
फेस वाइज ही देख के बता देते हैं. आईज उनके, नोज, तो वो देख के बता ही सकते हैं कि नेपाल.
Okay, listen close. This Didi, wait, her face and my face, it's like we are a little bit chubby. Yeah, I know we are chubby, but does she look like a Chinese because she has like round face? No? Then how can she say that? Like seriously, yaar. People should know. People should. Okay, let's continue.
पाल के ये
No. क्योंकि नेपाल के अलावा there are many states in India which do share, you know,
Yeah.
the visual structure and how they look.
No, I can't do that. No, because I think I'll get a little confused between the northeastern people and Nepali, so I might offend someone. So I don't usually do that.
Singada.
It's smart.
Of course, look, they look
Yeah.
similar.
Singara.
You can't really figure.
Basically, we call Singara here, okay? Nowadays, it's like lost the word Singara. Most of the people say samosa, but we used to say Singara, not Singara, Singara. I don't know because it's kind of like someone said something and someone said something. Then at the last, the word changes. Like I like that might have happened, but we call it Singara. Okay, she's correct.
Who is who? मैं कभी ऐसे मिली नहीं तो I don't know.
उनके आईज एंड नोज कॉमन ही लगता है
ये चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज हैं एंड उनके बच्चे थे तो वो हमारे यहाँ पे वर्क करते थे तो वो बहुत डर्टी रहते थे उस टाइम पे तो मेरे को वो मेमोरीज याद है
I've heard that a lot of security guards are Nepali.
they like boiled food they don't
Yeah.
like masala at all they can't
इसमें एक लाइक एक बात बताना चाहूँगा वो बोलते हैं ना गोरखा गोरखा है गोरखा लाइक जी शाप शाप नोबडी टॉक्स लाइक दैट नोबडी ओके ये मूवीज वैसा स्टीरियोटाइप कर दिया है उन लोगों को नेपालियों को लिटरली नोबडी स्पीक्स लाइक दैट एंड yeah, that's a bad thing. What to do? There are people coming from Nepal to India and people coming from India to Nepal for work. And like here are also some stereotypes about Indian people. But I don't want to say anything like that. No hate. I respect. औरों का पता नहीं. I respect.
even have green chili that's strange
उनका नाक.
Literally. उसका नाक भी बहुत बड़ा है.
के नाक थोड़े खड़े टाइप होते हैं.
There is one that I've heard that they're very traditional.
And she also have the same. It's not about naak. It's not about naak.
In the sense that, you know, like in Noida now we're wearing any clothes that we want to. We can wear from a very traditional basis or be it like a very modernistic basis. So I don't feel like they're very open to style. That is what I've heard. That is the discrimination sort of a point of there.
Maybe Delhi food.
एजुकेशन
कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि वहाँ के लिए क्या चेंज करना
You'd
चाहिए बस
love
वो
to see
चाइनीज ना
Nepal.
देखे.
More hotels. More hotels. We need more hotels there.
I don't know because I have not visited there so I can't say because ये चीज़ वहाँ पे नहीं है ये चीज़ होनी चाहिए.
यार मेरे को भीड़ नहीं पसंद है. I like peace. I like the mountains. I like the idea of Nepal more than Delhi actually. I like peace and quiet more.
they have some kind of groupism like they don't want to mingle or they don't want to hang around with non-Nepali people
I would probably want them to, you know, be
No,
more
it's not
social about
that.
their culture because being in India, I should technically know how Nepalis are because they're literally our neighboring country and that is really bad that I don't know.
नहीं सारे तो नहीं लेकिन काफ़ी लोग ऐसा लगता है कि चाइनीज़ ही है ये भाई चाइनीज़ से ही आए.
They don't have employment. So I'd been to Bangalore and
One thing you'd love to see in Nepal. Okay, question. They don't have employment. We don't have employment. Yeah, guys. That's the reason I'm doing the reaction. I've started the reaction channel. Yeah, we are unemployed and wait a minute. Ruko. If I don't have work and I'm doing the reaction video, then what about the guy who is taking their interviews? I think he's also an Indian. Never mind. I never said that.
you know, I won't say low stuff, but major of our basic stuff everyone was doing was Nepali. So they migrate from Nepal in lieu of employment to India.
We
Yeah.
move from there.
Construction.
लाइक गरीबी
everything is fine
उनके
Like
food
गरीबी.
थोड़े खराब होते हैं कुछ भी खा लेते हैं.
Well, वो चाइनीज है, नेपाली नहीं, कुछ भी खा लेते हैं. हाँ चाइनीज़ खाते हैं कुछ भी, हम कुछ भी नहीं खाते। हम वो लोग इंडियन क्या खाते हैं गाइस, लिटरली बेसिक वो नहीं डिफरेंस नहीं। ओके इंडियन नॉर्थ नॉर्थ की बात करते हैं, ठीक है। रोटी, दाल रोटी सब्जी या भात, ठीक है, चावल। नेपाल में भी वही है, हम रोटी भी खाते हैं, दाल भात ही। हाँ बेसिकली वो हिली रीजन्स में और हिमालयन रीजन्स में वो क्या कहते हैं उसे, ढेड़ो, यार ढेड़ो भी खाते हैं, ठीक है। इट्स काइंड ऑफ पुडिंग, नॉट पुडिंग, हलवा जैसा होता है पर मीठा वगैरह वगैरह नहीं। लाइक गेहूं का होता है, बाजरे का होता है, और क्या होता है, कोदो, व्हाट डू कॉल कोदो, बकवीट, या कोदो बकवीट। इंडियन में क्या बोलते हैं वो पता नहीं, बकवीट, हाँ बकवीट का होता है। हाँ मक्के की होती है कोदो, मक्के की। मक्के को वो पानी में उबाल कर अच्छे से चला चला कर उसको पकाते हैं, ठीक है। मक्के की रोटी भी खाते हैं हम। सो नॉट, वो सब बोल नहीं सकते, हम चाइनीज़ नहीं है, हम नहीं खाते।
सबसे पहले नेपाल जाना चाहूँगी उसके बाद देखूंगी क्या कमी है
हाँ,
वहाँ पे,
please
उसके
come.
बाद वो हटाना चाहूँगी।
It's a
please
lot
come.
of construction after that earthquakes and all. So that is one thing that is going on. I don't think so
That's
because
bad.
their culture is different, and I don't want to like change their culture or something. I don't want something to change there.
What culture, guys? What culture? We are Hindu, Sanatani Hindu. Basically, we don't live in Hindustan, so we are not technically Hindu, but we are Sanatani.
I don't think I know Nepal enough to, criticize it. But in the sense, I would say that Nepal had monarchy for a long time. So if I go by the views of monarchy, then I don't think they would be really open to democracy. And even India, being a democracy, has a real big issue with dealing with the terms of democracy. So maybe in a political sense, I would want them to change.
Hi guys.
Hi.
You're very sweet, and yeah,
Thank you.
just like that. But
What?
Very nice, very calm.
Okay.
Girls are really pretty over there.
Hmm.
With pretty eyes. You guys are good, but just stay over there.
Oh, I love you guys.
She just said stay over there? What? Why people are so...
नेपाल के लोग काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, काफ़ी स्वीट हैं, एंड मैं एक बार ज़रूर आना चाहूँगी और आप लोगों से मिलना चाहूँगी।
Please
Welcome aboard to all of the Nepalis who had been to India. Great employment and doing good.
Welcome me, give me lots of food. I am waiting.
बुराई नहीं करी, but I love you guys.
We love you. Just try to hang around with other people as
No,
well.
we
so
do,
they will
we
get
do.
to know more
We do.
about them.
I'm really
We have
sorry.
Indian friends too. Yeah, we do.
So please mind मत करना, and I
That's
love
a very
Nepali peoples,
misconception.
and मैं उनके साथ रही भी हूँ, and some of my friends are Nepalis, and even my मेरे भाई की girlfriend भी also she is also Nepali, and
Okay.
don't mind, okay? Love you.
I am really interested in music,
Thank you.
so I would really love to hear indie Nepali music, especially because I've gotten to Bengali music. Being a North Indian, Bengali music is a new thing for me. So coming to other
Yeah,
countries
I've
like
also heard
Nepal
Bengali
or be
music.
Pakistan
It's
or
good.
be Afghanistan, so I'm into Bangladeshi music
Like
now and
old
Pakistan
classic
music. So I would
music,
really
yeah,
love
they were
to
good.
know more about their culture through their music.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. So that was it, guys. I hope you like my reaction. रोस्ट भी हो गया, रिएक्शन भी हो गया, रिएक्ट भी हो गया, सो ऑल इन वन। वो बाद में लंबा खींचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सब बीच में ही हो गया। आई होप बोर नहीं हो गए होगे, क्योंकि बीच बीच में वो बहुत बात कर रहा था, इसलिए गाइस प्लीज़ सपोर्ट। पहला वीडियो है, लाइक कर दीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, कमेंट भी कर दीजिएगा प्लीज़ गाइस, आप लोगों की बहुत मेहरबानी होगी। एंड या दैट्स इट। सो मिलते हैं और को वीडियो में। ओके गाइस, टेक केयर टिल देन।